You just keep eating your cheese. Yeah, I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to bother you. You were just eating your cheese. So cute. I think it was washed, and then I don't know now. Yeah.